How to add Lloyds card to Apple Wallet online. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet. This is the default app on your device. If you cannot find this app on your device, you can head over to the App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll land to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner, you're going to find this plus icon. Click on it. With that, different available card options will appear. Click on the option of debit or credit card. Click on the option of continue. Now from here you are able to add your card. If you want to scan the card, you can push in your debit or credit card in the frame, and with that your card details will be updated. Or else you can click on the option of enter card details manually. With that you will be directed to this page. Now first up you have to type in your name, then type in your card number. After you type in, click on next. And in the next page, you'll need to type in the CVV and expiration date of the card and go through the process. With that, card details will be updated. So this way you can easily add Lloyds card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.